Hello, today we're going to try putting some fun weapons on Marduk. I've got this handmade boffing sword that I made out of fun noodles and Gorilla Tape. And I have a Nerf battle axe. So, let's see him in action. Oh no, Marduk can't hold things straight and hard. He's all floppy and all over the place. Well, that's understandable, considering that his hand is just a sock and bopper with a little loop on it. You know, a little bit of floppiness is to be expected. So probably what I'm gonna do is make like a fist out of some of this aluminum flashing here. So it's pretty nice and stiff when you've got a nice shape to it. And yeah. The right arm is having a little difficulty because one of the Waldo parallelograms is slipping and sliding all over the place. It isn't held together real well. The lower one right there, you can see I tried bracing it, but it just isn't working, so I'm going to need to fabricate a new one, which shouldn't be too difficult. And once I fix that arm Waldo, the only thing I'll need to do is dig out the mech and some fine-tuning with this steering wheel here. Because, you know, it's a little floppy, and this cold weather isn't doing it any favors. I might be switching over to some pneumatic casters from Harbor Freight. And what those are, they're essentially these size wheels, but it has a metal caster housing, so instead of all this wood craziness, it'll be nice solid metal. And that is all for today. I thought you folks would enjoy a funny little video of Marduk swishing around a weapon and whatnot. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.